Hello students, today we are going to do salt analysis of solution number 15. So this is the OS of solution number 15. So first we start with our preliminary test. So first you have to observe color, and as you can see your original solution is colorless. So your inference is Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3, Ni plus 2, Cu plus 2, etc. are absent, because all of this cation have a colored solution. Next we have litmus test. So first we have to take blue litmus paper and dip into the solution. You can see there is a no change. After that we will take red color litmus paper and we dip into OS. Again we observe no change. So our salt is maybe salt of a strong acid and a strong base, or weak acid or a weak base. Next we have flame test. For the flame test, first of all you have to clean platinum wire with HCl solution. So first of all platinum wire you have to dip in HCl solution and heat it. You have to do 2 to 3 times. After that we will take a small amount of OS in test tube and dip platinum wire into the test tube and heat. So as you can see, there is a slight appearance of a pink color. So your flame color is pink. So in your observation, you have to write down pink color flame, and its inference is K plus may be present. After that we have borax bead test. And as you know, borax bead test we only perform whenever our solution is colored solution. But here we have a colorless OS. So here we are not performing borax bead test. So our next part is wet test for positive radicals. With the help of wet test for positive radical, you are able to find group. So the first test is OS plus dilute HCl. So you have to take small amount of OS in test tube, and in that you will add hydrochloric acid. So as you can see, you didn't get any precipitates. So here in your observation you have to write down no precipitates. And whenever you have no precipitates, it means that first group is absent. It also suggested that Pb plus 2, Ag plus 2, Hg plus 2 are absent. Our next test is OS plus dilute HCl plus H2S. So in our previous we have OH plus HCl, and then we will add H2S solution. So again you are not getting any precipitates. So your observation for this test, you have to write down no precipitates. Second group is absent. Cu plus 2, Cd plus 2, Sn plus 2 are also absent. Now we are going to perform third test, that is OS plus NH4Cl plus NH4OH till alkaline. See, so first of all we have to take OS in test tube. After that we will add NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. After adding ammonium chloride, we will add a small piece of red color litmus paper into the solution. After that we will add NH4OH till alkaline. Alkaline means what? Till your red color litmus paper change into blue. Whenever change into blue, it means that your solution become alkaline. And after alkaline, you will not getting any precipitates. So in your observation you have to write down no precipitates. Group 3A absent. Fe plus 3, Al plus 3, Cr plus 3, Fe plus 2 are absent. After we have OS plus NH4Cl, NH4OH till alkaline plus H2S. So here we have NH4Cl, NH4OH solution previously. In that we have to just add H2S. After adding H2S, we will not get any precipitates. So our observation is no precipitates. So inference will be group 3B absent. Mn plus 2, Ni plus 2, zinc plus 2, CO plus 2 are absent. After that, fifth test is OS plus NH4Cl plus NH4OH till alkaline plus NH4 twice CO3, that is ammonium carbonate. So again we have to take small amount of OS in test tube. In that we will add ammonium chloride. In that a small piece of red color litmus paper, and then we will add ammonium hydroxide till we get blue color litmus paper. After that we will add ammonium carbonate. So after adding ammonium carbonate, we did not get any precipitates. So your observation here is no precipitates. So group 4 absent. Ca plus 2, Ba plus 2 are absent. And the last test is OS plus NH4Cl plus NH4OH till alkaline, plus you have to add Na2HPO4, that is sodium phosphate. That is sodium hydrogen phosphate. So we have to take small amount of OS. In that we will add NH4Cl, small piece of red color litmus paper, and we will add NH4OH till it become alkaline. After become alkaline, we have to add sodium hydrogen phosphate, and you can see there are no precipitates. So in your observation, if there is a precipitates, then group 5A present, but here we didn't get precipitates, so your observation is no precipitates. So what? Group 5B is present. So as you find in your wet test for positive radical, group 5B is present. So now we are going to analysis of group 5B. So first we have OS plus NaOH plus heat. If there is a smell of ammonia which can turn turmeric paper brown, then NH4 plus is present. So now we are going to perform test for NH4 plus. So we will take small amount of OS. In that we will add sodium hydroxide NaOH and heat it. While heating, we have to put turmeric paper on it and see whether your turmeric paper turns brown or not. So as you can see, your turmeric paper is remain as it is, it doesn't change. So NH4 plus is absent. So next we have to perform for K plus OS plus sodium cobalt nitrite. OS plus sodium cobalt nitrate. So we have to take small amount of OS. In that we will add sodium cobalt nitrate. And you can see you get yellow precipitates. So your inference is K plus is present. So next we will do a confirmatory test for K plus. So first test is OS plus picric acid. So you have to take OS. In that you will add picric acid. Whenever you add picric acid, you have to shake thoroughly. So you can see you will get a bright yellow precipitates. So your observation is yellow precipitates and you get yellow precipitates. So that K plus confirm. Next you have OS plus sodium cobalt nitrite. So you have to take small amount of OS. In that you will add sodium cobalt nitrite. You have to shake thoroughly. So you get yellow color precipitates. So your observation is yellow precipitates. So that K plus is confirmed. So now we have to find negative radical. So first we are going to perform wet test for negative radicals. In that first test is OS plus AgNO3. If you get white precipitates, then Cl minus may be present. So now we will do first test. You have to take OS in test tube. In that you have to add AgNO3, which is silver nitrate. So as you can see, you get white precipitates. So this white precipitates suggested that Cl minus ions may be present. So after getting positive result of Cl minus ions, we have to do confirmatory test for negative radical, and here we are going to perform confirmatory negative radical test for Cl minus ions. So we have to take OS plus MnO2 powder and plus concentrated H2SO4 and then we will heat. So if there is a green gas of Cl2, then Cl minus is confirmed. So we will add OS into a test tube. After that we will add MnO2 powder. After adding MnO2 powder, we will add concentrated H2SO4. And after that we will heat this test tube. So as you can see, this green color of gas you can see on the top of the test tube. So it suggested that Cl minus is conformed.